Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to see the first photo you ever liked on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Your Activity. Then go to Interactions. Now select Likes. Here you will see all the posts you have liked on Instagram. Now tap Sort and Filter. Then tap Sort by. Select oldest to newest. Then tap Apply. Now you will be able to see the post you have liked on Instagram with the oldest ones first. The leftmost post in the top row is the first post you ever liked on the app. If you unlike a post, it will be removed from this list. So in this way, you can see the first photo you ever liked on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.